everyone out there? This is the Prodigy, and today is May 22nd, and the time is, let me double check that for you guys. Got my phone. Oh, there it is. The time is 2:07 p.m. And guys, I'm not going to take up much of your time today because I know everyone out there is busy. Either you're working that crazy 9 to 5, making $8 to $10 an hour, which I'm trying to get you out of, or you're sitting at home unemployed looking for ways to make money, stressing about bills, stressing about rent, stressing about losing what you already have, stressing about trying to grip onto life. Well, guys, stay with me and pay attention to what I'm about to tell you, and I'm going to help you get out of those situations. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to go ahead and log on to my PayPal, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I've made today. Alright, so guys, here we go. What I've actually made today could blow some of your minds. Some of you guys already out there that's been following me for years, you already know these are the type of results I've been getting, for 5 to 10 years I've been seeing these type of results, posting them on YouTube. Here we go. So, payment today, $240. $247. We're gonna round that off. That's gonna be $500 already today. 5, 6, 7, $750, 7, 8, 9, $1,200 today so far, and it's only 2 p.m. Guys, if you're watching this video, and of course there's zero in my account because you see the withdrawal here, but anyhow, guys, if you're watching this video and you're looking to get these same type of results, $240, $247, then why, guys, why are you still wondering, why are you still sitting there? Why are you still stressing? Why are you not trying to move forward? I tell everybody, you have to invest in yourself. A lot of people say, hey, I don't want to throw away my money. I'm scared to give this person my money. I'm scared to put my money in this program. But you're not investing in them. You're investing in yourself. And if you don't invest in yourself, you're going to continue to work that 9 to 5. You're going to continue to live off that unemployment check. You're going to continue to live off that disability check. You're going to continue to live off welfare. Why? Because you're not investing in yourself. Now, I get a lot of phone calls of people playing around saying, hey, I'm scared. I'm not going to invest. I just have a few questions, blah, 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 this and that. Do not call me if you are not serious. I'm a marketer that puts my phone number out there because I want to help people succeed. I want to be able to make sure you know what you're doing. I don't want a whole bunch of crazy people calling me, not willing to move forward, not willing to invest in themselves. Now, God has given me a gift to be able to help people succeed. God has blessed me. God gave me this gift a long time ago, and I've helped thousands of people succeed in the online marketing industry. What I give you and what I show you will definitely give you results. With my advanced level, I'm not playing any games here, guys. With my advanced level, it should be well over $10,000. I'm charging right now a $250 fee. If you contact me and say you came from YouTube, I'm taking $50 off. So that's $200. And look, guys, this is the original price, $350. This person did not ask about a discount or did not need a discount, and that's $350 that they paid the other day when the price went back up. The price is now back at $250 this week, but if you want another $50 off, you have to mention YouTube when you call me. My phone number is 239-362-6591. Now, like I said, there's a lot of you stressing out there. Ask God, pray, put your, bow your head now and pray with me. God, I ask you to please bless us. God, I ask you to please help us move forward. God, I ask you to please show me the light. Please guide me. Please take the will and release this stress. Cast away all demons. Cast away all evil. Break the chains from the devil's holding my financials back and cast the angels around me. Amen. Guys, with God's help, you will not fail, because without God, there is nothing. There is not a day. There is not life. There is no success. There is nothing. So you must ask God. You must. A lot of people ask me, how did you figure out how to succeed online? When I've been marketing for 10 years and never made $1. I look at them and say, my number one tool in life is God. It's prayer. I open that Bible and God blesses me. I share his words and God blesses me. He shows me what to do. He's guided me to these tools, to this knowledge that I got. He shows me exactly where to go. God guides me to where I'm at today. God makes sure that I have what I need and that I need what I have. God is not going to let you go on without having what you need. Every day is a test from the man above. You ask and you shall receive. No matter what, guys, you can be sitting there, stressed out of your mind, and you're going to continue to be stressed if you don't ask God for help. You must be patient with the man above because he's testing you and making sure that you do not lose faith. Well, everyone out there, I've showed you my proof. There's nothing else I can do for you to convince you. It's your chance. It's your choice to invest in yourself. I'll be waiting for your phone call. My number is 239-362-6591. And for you out there that is phone shy, go ahead and shoot me a text. The website for more information is godslifequotes.com. Also, the link in the description below. Go ahead and like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the little bell notification button for future updates of if any kind of discounts I'm having or for any type of free training that I'm giving out. Everyone out there, may God be in your hearts, and I will talk to you in my next video. Before I do that, let me go ahead and log out to show you guys I'm the real deal Holyfield. There you go, guys. Everyone out there, you have a blessed day, and I will talk to you in my next video, or I will talk to you if you give me a call. Bye-bye for now.